The tool of the day is a nice little OBD2 scanner. This is a King Bullen OBD2 scanner I've been using. Something like this would be perfect. I'll put a link in the pinned comment for a tool like this, and I'll show you what it does. For anybody who owns a car, this is the perfect size tool. This is something I'll put in my wife's car. It's easy to carry. Even if you owned a shop, something like this, an entry-level OBD2 scanner like this is the perfect tool for anyone to get. This will tell you when your check engine light comes on or you get a light on your dash. It'll tell you what's going on with your car, so you can either fix it yourself or not get ripped off. Plug it in down here. There's a little socket that looks like this. An awesome scanner like this one here will easily do something like test your battery and let you look up different trouble codes. I like that this one has a quick button to look up your data codes, your VIN number, or your emissions. This is the best quality entry OBD2 scanner that I have. This is the one that I recommend. Check out the link in the pinned comment if you want one too. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite tool of the day is.